Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So let's learn how I made this delicious grilled catfish at home. Very easy to make, very delicious. You absolutely love it for that weekend family sit out. So stay tuned as I learn how I made this. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. If this is your first time here, please do click on the subscribe button. You're welcome to join the family. I love you. So for this recipe, we'll be needing some onion. I love combining the white and purple onion, long sweet peppers, red bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, the catfish, which is the main ingredients, vegetable oil, spring onion, seasoning cubes. I use no. Those are some spices: curry, thyme, rosemary, nutmeg, ginger, garlic, and then some salt. And of course, what is catfish without some side dishes? So I'm making some coleslaw and some fried yam to go with this. So to begin, you get your peppers, onion, ginger, and garlic ready. Clean them just like this and put them in the blender. Add a bit of those your spices I showed you, the curry, thyme, nutmeg, seasoning cubes, and salt. I always like blending them together because it has a way of infusing those spices more into the pepper mix. So I just put in everything like that in my pepper mix and then bring to a blend. Of course, I always add a little water to the mix before blending so as to help my blender. And then you don't want the water to be too much. You also don't want to blend too smoothly. And just give that a very rough blend. It will be nice. Okay. Yep, perfectly blended just like that. So right now you want to get a clean pan, put it on the fire. When it's hot, you add some vegetable oil. When that gets hot, you put in some bits of salt to taste. You put in your onions, saute that. I like frying my white onion and then blending the purple one. I don't know why, but that's the method I adopted after a while. And then now you want to add the pepper mix when the onion must have sauteed. And then you want to start frying that on medium heat. I think I've fried this for about 15 minutes. You fry and you wait a bit. You want to have that to be a bit dry, just like this. So this about after 15 minutes, my pepper mix is ready. I don't need to add any other thing. So you want to scoop that out because you'll be needing it to grill the fish. So now place some foil paper on your dressing table. Get your catfish ready. I've cleaned and then wash this catfish thoroughly. I also dab with some kitchen towel, and that's why it's dry like this. Then you want to do some incision on the catfish, just the way I'm doing now. This incision is very important because it helps your sauces get into the fish and gives it that taste your catfish really needs. Okay, so you incision that front and back, and then of course it also still release some juices. You just want to dab that and make sure everywhere is dry and clean, and then you begin to apply your sauces just the way I'm doing. Make sure you target those incision and make sure they get enough sauce, because catfish is not a generally sweet fish, delicious fish. So whatever taste this will be getting depends on how much sauce it's getting. So you just want to turn that aside and repeat it for both ends of the catfish. Make sure you coat that very well with the sauce. After coating, you want to give it some garnishing. Of course, I love spring onion. It gives it this nice flavor. So I'll just slice some on top of the catfish after incorporating with the sauce. If you have some colored bell peppers, you can also do that for aesthetic purposes. So after this, you want to go ahead to wrap the catfish with the foil paper. One wrap is not enough to avoid it leaking the juices inside the oven and everywhere becomes smoky. So I try to wrap this 3 different times to ensure that it doesn't leak from anywhere. Okay, so yeah, the bone from the catfish had punctured this and is already leaking. So after the first wrap, you just want to wrap that and wrap that again for like 3 times to be sure that it wouldn't be leaking at all. So now get your baking tray and cover that with some foil paper because you wouldn't want to take chances and get a stain. Place your catfish on it and get ready for the oven. I like setting my oven at 200 degrees centigrade, and then I grill this for 45 minutes. 30 minutes is just fine, but I didn't want to take chances, so I made this for 45 minutes. This was after 45 minutes. I'm very sure the catfish is done. You want to bring out and then you serve. If you want to know how I made this coleslaw and the fried yam, you just want to check back on the channel to see how I got that. So now you open the foil like this with a knife because it will be so hot, and then there you go, your delicious grilled catfish ready to be eaten. I made this for my husband's birthday and he loved it so much. Birthday behavior. What is this? No, them can't be again. No.
Oh, too much. Bring more for me. Bring more than wine.
Taste the fish and tell us how it is. Get close at all.
Jesus. I don't know how to describe it. It's indescribable.
Oh my god.
Away.
Oh my god. Yeah, let me get it the mouth. If you'll be trying this for your family, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you when next we'll see. Bye.